Sika BlackSeal 1 is a bitumen-based one-part joint sealant. Sika BlackSeal 1 is a product for sealing of connection joints to chimneys, skylights, etc. Sealing of cracks and holes in bitumen felt roofs. Repairs to roofs and gutters. You need masking tape, a caulking gun, a cutter, a brush, and a spatula. Cut the nozzle at the desired width. Apply joint sealant with a hand or air pressure caulking gun, avoiding trapping air. Remember, for straight, neat lines, protect the sides of the joint with masking tape. Give the sealant a slightly concave finish using a spatula. Remember, remove any masking tape while the sealant is still soft and before it starts to cure. Sika BlackSeal 1 adheres well to most common building materials such as concrete, wood, metal, bitumen coatings. It does not require a primer. It's ready to use and easy to handle. It can be applied on damp, non-porous substrates. It's available in 2 different packages, 300 milliliter cartridges and 600 milliliter sausages. Its color is black. Sika, building trust.